Assalamu alaikum. I am Uruj Zahra, your English language instructor, and in this video, I share the concept and the point where I was about to be scammed by someone. होता क्या है? It was the day around 4 to 5 days back, and just before starting the video, I would like to describe this thing on the basis of my own experience. I am not blaming on anyone, and this actually the story that relates to me. So I am the only evidence of this incident. It was about the day of Thursday when I was doing some work at my home, and I got the call from a number, but I did not pick it because of my hectic routine. And then after I called back because he called me around 5 to 6 times. I thought there is some sort of the emergency or the new inquiry or the emergency case of English language. So I called back that person, and he was just like in a very strange tone. We are going to block your Easy Pesa account. I asked a question, why? He said, because we have been sending you the message of the approval for the last 2 days, but you did not respond me. I really did not get any sort of the message from this kind of the code, and I have not done any sort of the wrong thing on the behalf of which my account could be blocked. So I asked the question to that person, why are you blocking my account, because I have never done any transaction. He said that because we have been sending you the approval message and you did not approve it. So I ignored it, and just I dropped the call, and I considered it as a scam. 3 or 4 hours later, I also received the call from the another number, and I checked this number on the WhatsApp. So at the second time, I was very confident enough, and I did not ask and I did not call to that person, but he called me on my WhatsApp. Like regarding the same message, but with another voice, because the person who called me the second time was not the same one who called me the first time. So I received the call because I picked up the call, and because it had an official logo of digital account, I picked up the call, and he said me in anger, why are you not picking up my call, because we are going to block your account, and if you do any transaction after receiving this call, so that account would also be blocked. I thought, what kind of the strange behavior is this, and what I have done actually. So I said to that person, okay, block it, because I don't have any concern with my account. He dropped the call in a very strange note, leaving the message aside. He was not insisting, and he had not any interest with me. So I would definitely call him back, but I did not call that person again. And then the 2 days passed very easily, and in the Monday morning, I received the message in the morning by the message, or I don't know the number of that message, and they said, we have mistakenly sent you the 10,000 rupees, and we are really poor and a destitute one. I am with my family, and I am from the Rawalpindi. Would you like to transfer me back my 10,000 rupees? I thought it may happen. I thought there may be any mistaken transaction, so I should return the money to that person. When I checked my account, there was not any amount of the money. He said to me, I have sent you the 10,000 rupees mistakenly, so kindly return it back to me on the number I am sending you on the WhatsApp. I said okay, because I have never thought that the incident that happened to me the 2 days before, it links to the incident that is going to me right now. So I said okay, and I was waiting for the number to get on the WhatsApp and to check the details, and definitely I will send back to the money if I receive it. And I was searching, so I did not receive any single penny from anyone. So it means it was a scam. And even if I feel better, so definitely I will share the number from where I was getting the call. So I received the call, and he said to me, we have sent you the 10,000 rupees, and if you did not get it in your Easy Pesa account, it means your account has got blocked the 2 days before, and we have already sent you multiple warnings, but you did not respond to us, and definitely your account has got blocked. And now on the WhatsApp, do share your screen recording, and now go to the account, log in, and we check what kind of a mistake is this. When he gave me this idea to share the screen check and screen logging, so definitely I got the point. It is somehow the scam. I blocked all the numbers from the WhatsApp, SIM, and contacts, and I was thinking to share this message with all of you. If you get this kind of the scam message from the official number, like any mobile number, like we have sent you this amount of the money, sometime when you wake up so your mind does not work properly as in the normal words. You feel the sympathy message for that person, and you can also share the amount to that person. Never ever trust on anyone, because it may also the reason to show your privacy to that person, and you cannot expect what kind of the hacking system is going on in the society. So be aware from these scammers, and always reset your password again and again. So my message for all of you is that be aware this kind of the fake and deceitful people, because the society is fraud of these kind of the fake people. My message is to all of you is that just remember me in your prayers. Stay safe and stay healthy.